Very glad that Sama has sent 8 hot dogs. It is ready sources for the cooking. So we are thankful that to the Cornejo family that they have sent for the Sharda, my wife, and for our family to distribute this one. So many comments from our
factories.
Many comments we have read. So we are gladly informed to you that is special for the Sharda and family. She like much these sources 8 dogs also. So we are thankful. Your best good comment. We are not miss the Sharda, the mom, and we are preserving these hot dogs for our family. So we have celebrating here the Diwali also, and with the good source to eat is for our family. Thank you for comment, and thank you the best comment, and thank you the Bimbo Cornejo, Shama and Sanaya also to send our this parcel. We have opened now for this eatable item. This is the first time we received the 8 hot dogs from the UK of Bimbo Cornejo. The first time we shall be open and will be taste in our life. So we are glad today for the taste, and thank you very much Bimbo Cornejo and Sama also. So we shall be open here this box. Thank you. We start for cooking. The 8 pieces is here. Hot dog. The 8 hot dogs is for the dry from the oil, and we are cooking here to eat. It is first time in our life we have best introduction and information from the Sama. As introduction, we have cooking here on gas. This is a nice cheap item, and we are trying to first time for cooking on gas. We add the oil, and item is prepared that there will be, I think that color will be changed. As per our instruction, this item will be take up the brown color in the oil. Then after we off the gas in this item. So it is takes time to pick up the brown color. So it is ready procedure here. I am very glad that the Sima has cooked first time biryani in our house. So it is very Mughlai biryani. So we are preparing here the biryani, but in the absence of mom, Sharda mom is not with us. She went village, and we are there to Sharda at Sundarpura due to my mother-in-law is ill, and she visited there at Sundarpura to look after my mother-in-law. So we are only family will celebrate here the biryani and this item also. So we are ready to.
Oh yeah.
Oh, very nice. Okay. So thank you very much. So let us to go eat our
Very hungry.
very hungry and eat this item.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
हे हमारा सदा शक्तिमान चिंता परम को पाप का बार माने साहित्य ना की गुजना की हमने आपकी सकाला में सुंदर में आपकी Thank you very much. The Sama has sent this item and thank you very much for first time cooking Sima the biryani. We are thankful both our party and we are going to the dinner here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Kain na guys!
Guys,
Okay.
bye
Kuchi de.
guys.
Thank you very much to send this item. We are first time eating in our life, so very tasty and delicious. And this item is very admirable from the UK.
Guys, thank you for sending Sama and Bimbo and very delicious these items and I'm first time taste and very tasty guys. Thank you very much.
Bye guys. I have my hot dog up.
Hot dog.